Libby,
Katie.
when you're nervous, do you go running for the bathroom?
That does happen sometimes, I will admit.
Same here. So this roll-on Digest Help is going to help you when those kind of situations arise.
Awesome.
So for this recipe, you will need 3 drops of Cardamom Essential Oil, 3 drops of Lavender Essential Oil, a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 milliliter roll-on. If you are a subscriber, this comes in a big bonus box. So let's start by adding the essential oils to the roll-on.
Okay.
Now that you've added those oils, you can fill it the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil, and we're going to use a funnel for this.
Okay.
All right, so you can fill that up till it starts to curve. The glass starts to curve at the top. Put the cap on, and then give it a swirl or a shake. Then you can give it a try, and then we'll make sure that we get our label on. You can apply it to your abdomen and pulse points to help soothe digestion. So it's calming.
It smells good too.
And it'll help settle your stomach too.
So we've got these fun little labels that come in with the recipe boxes that you can cut out and then put on your bottle.
Yep, so if you're a subscriber, this comes with your box. All right, so now next time you need a little help with your digestion, you got something that fits in your pocket.
Perfect. Thanks, Katie.
You're welcome. So for more great recipes like this one, head to simplyearth.com/box, where we send you 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 recipes plus extras to make those recipes.
Another great resource that you can use is to head over to our website and then click on the recipes and articles link. That page will bring you to our blog page, which we have so many articles written by you, Katie, and Shyla, explaining about different things about essential oils and also just a bunch of different recipes that you can do at home.
I'm Katie.
I'm Libby.
We're from Simply Earth, and we love bringing confidence and clarity to using essential oils. Thanks for watching.
See ya!
If you are a subscriber, this comes in a big bonus box.
A big bonus box.